on your favorite YouTube channel, TDCH, the digitalchapters.com. TDCH is a platform where we keep sharing new videos about marketing, branding, promotion, and advertisement. We also keep updating you what are the latest trends, technology, and tools in marketing and branding. We have recently added many videos regarding tools and technology for your marketing campaigns. In today's video, I am going to explain you about marketing automation. Marketing automation is a buzzword in these days, and everyone keeps talking about what is marketing automation. In big businesses, people are hardly aware of marketing automation, but small businesses have already started marketing automation campaigns. They have added in their activities for sales and marketing. How marketing automation can benefit you, and what are some tips and tricks to use this. So let's go with marketing automation. Marketing automation is all about using software to automate marketing activities. Many marketing departments automate repetitive tasks such as email marketing, social media posting, advertisement campaign, shopping funnels, greetings, and notifications. And sometimes some businesses use for customer support as well. Marketing automation is the process of turning manual tasks into automated tasks. Simply, if I tell you, the tasks you are doing repetitively can be done by AI, and AI is in marketing is already. One of marketing tool explain about it. Marketing automation is a category of technology that allows companies to improve engagement and increase efficiency to grow revenue faster. Why I am talking about marketing automation? Because it gives you everything that you are looking for a long time. According to the state of the connected customer, 69% of buyers expect personalized communication from their brands. Whether you are buying shoes, shirt, clothes, or any product that add value to your life, you always like to get communicated by your brand because you love that brand. So some facts and research I'm sharing with you. 91% of marketing automation users say that it's very important to their overall online marketing efforts. Number two, spending on marketing automation tools is expected to reach $25.1 billion annually by 2023. 79% of high performing companies have been using marketing automation for 3 or more years. These are some research I've collected from different companies or research analytics companies. Marketing technology spend is now higher than advertisement spend for companies. People were investing a lot of money in marketing, but now they are focusing on technology. 74% of marketers say that saving time is the biggest benefit they see from automation. And 67% of marketing leaders currently use a marketing automation platform. So these are some facts about marketing automation. You should understand that marketing automation makes sure the right people get the right task and right message with right place. A typical marketing automation campaign starts with a digital marketing activity. It may be email marketing, it may be social media campaign, and so on. So now the question is, how does marketing automation work? Marketing automation work. Marketing automation allows you to communicate with your customer using technology. As I have explained you, the task you do repetitively using social media posts, email campaigns, notification, sending SMS, message, or email marketing. This is simplified by automation. Suppose someone has come on your website and filled the form. You want to send a form, a thank you message. So easily you can set workflows. So when you set all these processes, they are called workflows in automation. So this type of workflows help you all things in this. Also, marketing automation send multiple types of email campaigns, notifications, messages, social media posts. When you schedule these posts, they will be posted at the right time, at the right day. You can schedule multiple posts at the same time. They will be posted automatically at the right time and your platforms. So you don't need to repeat this daily, because suppose you want to wish to someone a greeting, thanks for visiting my website. You can send immediately, automatically, by coming on when someone sign up on your website. So what are some benefits? And before I also want to explain you, like, you can connect these customer by engaging them at the same platform, because someone has come on a website, you send a notification. That's very important. So they become your lifetime customer. So what are some benefits of automation? There are multiple benefits you will see, like you can do marketing activities with, you can create landing pages, you can create lot of forms, and whoever has downloaded, you can send automated thank you message. And also you can track the cookies someone has using for long. You can do email marketing and all type of SMS campaigns, segmentation of data, social media, creating different calendar for SEO or social media, A/B testing, measurement, and creating dashboards separately for different businesses. So also sales team can use at the same time analyzing lead and tracking the performance of lead. These are very easy things. While doing marketing automation, you can increase customers' value. Suppose someone has come one time, you can make the customer for lifetime. While selling multiple things like cross selling, upselling, that happens sometime. You can also qualify leads, like sales team keep doing this. Subscribers who are on your website, you can send a lot of messages time to time, and different type of white blog post or downloads. You can encourage them for that. So like Get Response have done this survey. So saving time is the highest benefit with automation, because when you are doing one email marketing campaign, it takes 2 days, 3 days, but with setting it once, it goes automatically. Lead generation, increase in revenue, none of them. So there are many things that helps you in this. Relevant communication you can do with your customers, customer engagement you can do with marketing automation. So these are benefits for you doing marketing automation. You can timely communicate with them, because it is very important to communicate the lead immediately as soon as possible. So saving time and increasing revenue, this is the main factor for marketing automation. It also allows you to personalize email campaign or SMSs. So now personalization is very important in these days. So when you send personalized notification message or email, it creates a bond between you and customer. So that this is very trending these days. When someone is saying, dear John, thanks for buying from us, we would like to see you next time. So suppose this message goes, you will love seeing this. So understanding the customer's requirement, behavior, you can analyze all this data and follow up them. There are multiple CRMs and marketing automation tools, including email tools. So you will see a lot of functions and similarities in them, because you will see some, like email marketing you can do with all tools you are buying for marketing automation. You can track events, social media marketing, campaign tracking, automation, SMSs, reporting, and creating surveys. This is all happens in the all, and landing pages, training support for all. So these keeps happening. So the question is like, what can you do with the automation? So the biggest thing is that you can combine sales and marketing teams. Sales team is working somewhere, marketing team is creating lot of leads, and sales team is saying we are getting less leads. So there is confusion between marketing and sales keeps going on. Sometimes this is solved with easy tracks, but marketing automation is boon for both of the team. It can be easy trackable, nurture the lead, and when you are going in meetings, if you are ready, you are completely ready with the data. So the data speaks a lot what you are doing. Analysis is very easy when you have marketing automation. Improving ROI and cross channel marketing automation, import unlimited list from the automation tool. You can send unlimited email marketing campaign, unlimited Facebook Messenger chatbots, and push notification and mobile leads. There's so many things you can do. So this is very easy for both of the team and increase ROI while saving the time. Marketing automation platforms provide broad functionality, including email marketing, landing pages and forms, campaign management, lead nurturing, scoring, lead life cycle management, CRM integration, social media marketing capabilities, and marketing analytics. So this all happens at the same time. You can nurture all these leads while doing online marketing, lead management, social, some of the benefits. Now the question is, what can you do? You can do many things like lead generation, segmentation, email marketing. The next question comes, what do you need? You have understood marketing automation is important for me, it is required, and I have decided to go with marketing automation for my business. Now what's next? So for knowing this, which is the best tool for your business or industry, I'll make another video. In next video I'll guide you which is the best tool for marketing automation. Till then, stay tuned and like this video, share with your friend. Keep waiting for that video. I'll be sharing that very soon. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have liked and you will share with your friends. Thanks again, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.